Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create an ID card or the business card in Adobe Express app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Adobe Express app, and now I'm gonna open it. Adobe Express app. Let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, now it's open. Now simply what we need to do, we have to click on the search for all templates. Now we want to create an ID card. Then simply we have to search for the ID card, and as you can see, now simply we have to click on the search button, and after that you are going to get a lot of template here. As you can see, the different type of template will be displayed here. Now you have to choose that which type of template you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one, so we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, here's the option for the remix this template. So we have to click on the remix this template, and you will be redirected to the editing mode. So we have to wait for a few seconds until we goes there. It's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster result. So as you can see, now it's here. Now if you want to edit the text, you have to double tap on the text, and you can edit the text. As you can see, all the text is controllable. And now I'm going to click on the right, and as you can see that this is edit. And now if you click on this, as you can see, if you want to delete this, create a duplicate, copy to ungroup, and all options are provided here in the color mode, in the edges, and the opacity. All the things are provided here. If you want to edit them, you can also do that. Simply after doing these all things, you have to click on the done, and everything will be done. Now if you want to download this, simply you have to click on the download, and now you have to choose that which type of image you want. For example, into transparent without background, or that the background one. After that, simply you have to hit the download, and the image will be downloaded into a gallery. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.